So we're going to come across a lot of word problems where you have to make expressions. Addition, let's start with addition, represented by the plus sign. You might have words like in total, altogether, plus sum to represent that, and you have to know to put the plus sign. The way that we say the expression, a number, because x can be any number, plus 4. Another way we can say it is 4 more than a number. Subtraction is another one we will come across, represented by the take away sign. Take away, less than, lower than, you might come across. These two expressions are very different. With subtraction, order matters. Which number comes first matters. This is read, a number, represented by S, take away 11. So you have a number and you're taking away 11 from it. This one is 4, take away a number. So you have 4 and you're taking away this amount. Up here you're taking away 11. Here you're taking away a different amount. Okay? This is also 11 less than that number. So these words sound simple, but you will get confused. 11 less than, a number less than 4. Multiplication, order does not matter. You could do 16 times 4 or 4 times 16 and you will still get the same answer. So order for multiplication doesn't matter. In your word problems, you will come across phrases like each time, groups of, product, or times to use multiplication. The ways that you can write it, and we've covered this already, when they are right next to each other, a number and a variable, that means multiply. When it's a number next to brackets, that means multiply. So that means 16 times 4. When it's 2 brackets, one right next to each other, that means multiply. So this means 3 times 4. Following BEDMAS, you would do what's in the brackets and times it by this bracket. Now this type of question confused a lot of you on your quick checks and the test. So you have a bracket, take away 3 times what's in this bracket. A lot of you thought it was this times this times this. This is an operation. It's take away 3. If you wanted to multiply by what's in the brackets, the number always has to be in front. Number in front, you multiply. That's an operation. Just because. The way we would solve this is brackets first, 9, take away 3 times 3. So I solved those brackets and these brackets. 9, take away 3 times 3 is 9. I solved that, and you have 0. Division, order matters. Just like subtraction, order really makes a big difference. 16 divided by 4, you know, you've been doing that one a long time. 4 divided by 16 equals some number with a long decimal. So very different answers between the two. 6 divided by a number is very different than a number divided by 6. When it's divided by, that's the by part. That's how many groups you're making. This is the number of groups. This is what you start with. Up until now in your life, what you started with has always been the bigger number. You take a large number, you divide it into groups, and you get smaller numbers. But now with integers and decimals that you're going to be doing, that's not always the case, so you need to know the language of division. A number divided by 6. 6 divided by a number.